Now this is grade 10th, a question from polynomials. This might come for 2 marks or might come for 3 marks. It's a good question. If alpha and beta are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial, okay, such that alpha minus beta is given 1, then find the value of k. मैं ये वाला क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करूंगा with the help of linear equations in 2 variables. Let us see how do we do that. सबको पता है sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is what? Minus b upon a, and alpha into beta is c upon a. ठीक है, तो जैसे you have a polynomial, ये दोनों चीजें फाइंड आउट करके साइड में रख देते हैं. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट इज अल्फा into beta, alpha into beta c by a. So therefore alpha into beta, कंपेयर करो इक्वेशन से. so this is a का जगह पे 1, b का प्लेस पे -5, c का प्लेस पे k है. so I'll be having k over here divide by a का जगह पे तो 1 है, so it's okay. so alpha into beta is what? k. I'll just hold it as equation number 1. Okay, now what? As I said, I'll be solving this with the help of linear equations in 2 variables. Kaisa? I'll show you. First equation is ready as per the given. So alpha minus beta is 1. And I'll write the reason over here, given. Okay, and alpha plus beta is always minus b by a. So therefore alpha plus beta, beta minus of b का वैल्यू b -5 है. so this would be minus of -5, a का वैल्यू is 1, so we expect alpha plus beta, minus of -5 is plus, 5 upon 1 is 5. so alpha plus beta is 5. I'll take down this equation with it. So alpha minus beta is 1. And I think I have to add these 2 equations probably, so that plus beta minus beta cancel. Alpha plus alpha will give me 2 alpha. 5 plus 1 will give me 6. And alpha would be 3. Okay, अब यही इक्वेशन का हेल्प ले लो या फर्स्ट वाला इक्वेशन का हेल्प ले लो, दैट इज कंप्लीटली योर कॉल. तो अल्फा का वैल्यू 3 है. पुट दिस इन इक्वेशन नंबर, आई हैव नॉट रिटन हियर 1, बट यू कैन जस्ट पुट इट इन द गिवन इक्वेशन. सो इफ यू डू दैट, you will be getting alpha as what? 3. so I'll write 3 minus beta, which is equal to 1. and now 3, bring 1 this side, so it becomes 3 minus 1. Take minus beta that side, it would be beta plus beta. so probably beta value would be 3 minus 1 will give me 2. चलो, तो अल्फा रेडी हो गया, बीटा रेडी हो गया. so simple now children. put these 2 in equation number 1. waiting है तुम्हारे लिए. so alpha into beta, the alpha is how much? 3. beta is how much? 2, which is equal to k. so therefore k is equal to 6. okay, और 2 methods है सॉल्व करने का with the help of using identities, but I feel this is very simple and seriously very simple to get this. so k equals how much? 6. done. thank you.